নমস্কার সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 162 সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড কটনের ওপর। পুজোর সামনে এবং লাস্ট মোমেন্টে আমাদের কিছু কেনাকাটা বাকি রয়েছে। অনেকে গিফটের জন্য ক্যাশ দেয় বা মনে হয় আরেকটা কিছু অষ্টমীর সকালে পড়লে ভালো হতো বা নবমী রাতের জন্য একটা ছোট শাড়ি কিনে নিই। তো সেরকম কিছু এপিসোড বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি এবং গিফট আইটেমের জন্য যদি আপনাদের কারোর লাগে লাস্ট মোমেন্টে বিফোর পূজা, তার জন্য আজকে আপনাদের কথা সেরকম কিছু কথা ভেবে আজকের এপিসোডে শুধু দেখতে থাকুন। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, লাল সাদা দিয়ে শুরু করি। আগমনী কালেকশন, সফট লাইট ওয়েট একটা কোটা শাড়ি। এটা উইভিং শাড়ি, বেনারসের উইভিং উইদাউট জারি। টেম্পলটা উইভিং করা আছে আর বডিতে সুতোর কাজ করেছি। সফট লাইট ওয়েট, ইটস আ রেশম কোটা। দ্য বডি ইজ থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক and the border is woven border. Product number 13250 and it has a tanchoi woven blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. It has a self weave in zigzag weave, no zari. It gives a very nice sober look not only during the pujas but even later you can wear this because this is not the bright red, it's a dudhe alta color. It's a very pretty sober red with all over thread work and in white and dudhe alta red. With blouse piece also it has a lovely weave in the blouse and all over self color thread work. Very pretty sari. 3250 product number 1, and here is the pallu part for you. Product number 2, this is also very interesting weave, again in resham kota, and this is from Banaras weave. And in this weave, here you get all over thread work in the kota, self color thread work, but the border is a tanchoi woven border. It's a very pretty tanchoi woven border. Tanchoi woven pallu and tanchoi woven blouse piece. What an interesting weave, very pretty weave and very comfortable, lightweight, ideal for gifting parent, mothers also, mothers, mother-in-laws, sisters. Very pretty sari, sober, cream color with reddish maroon border, pallu and blouse piece. Wear it with this blouse. It's very difficult to get this woven blouse, and this woven blouse once you have, you can mix and match with a lot of saris. So initially few saris I will show you all this Agumoni collection. This is a tissue woven Banarasi, silver and gold tissue. Yes, it is bright, shimmery, but of course this is for the evenings. So in that case it will look very pretty for the festive season, for Ashtomi Raat. 4990. Very gorgeous Banarasi weave, soft. Even though it's tissue, it's very soft. It will have a good fall, it will not stick out. With this again woven blouse piece, very rich looking sari. Sometimes you do need bright saris for occasions. Even for gifting it's very nice. Just see the weave closely. Silver with gold weave throughout. Can you see the tanchoi weave throughout? Is it clear? Similar one, number 4, coming with a Paithani weave border. Very interesting border, 4990. Banaras weave. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We are a 26-year-old label, and we cater mainly ethnic wear, ethnic saris, traditional saris, and our USP is embroidery, quality, finish, and combinations. Variety, you can say also. Pink, and here comes another Jamewar weave in Banarasi. This is very much in demand. I use this fabric for a lot of other concepts also, like I do digital prints in this also, I do kalamkari in this also. It has a very soft fall, and it's in off-white color with all over gold zari weave. But at the same time, the gold zari is deep and light. So that's why the bigger motifs is standing out because of the darker gold color, and the lighter gold, it's on self weave. It's a Jamewar weave with a bright red, gold woven red and gold combination border. This is the back side. I'm showing you why, because you might think that so much of zari and the back side the threads will stick out. No. Can you see the weave? Very interesting and very different sari, soft, lightweight, and only 3,990 rupees. 3990 for this sari. And here comes a red woven gorgeous blouse piece with this. Red and gold, very traditional sari. Minimum range, we have other combinations also. I'll show you the Rani color border with this. But since it's a Agomoni collection, so this is a few options that I'm showing you in gold and red. Another combination is in with Rani. So red and Rani, two colors available now. For last moment shopping. Of course, I wouldn't say last moment, even after the festive season, after Durga Puja, there are many occasions that's coming up. Diwali, Bhai Dooj, weddings, Christmas, beautiful, party season, and lovely. These minimum range, and also for gifting for anniversaries. 3,990 rupees, very soft woven Jamewar Chandeli Banarasi. And the blouse piece with this will be again this woven blouse. Now I'll show you some Bengal cotton Gorod, pure 100% cotton Bengal with hand painting in kalamkari style. Those who have puja at home and they want to work the whole day wearing something very light, comfortable cotton. So for them, see the beautiful painting peacock and the floral design throughout the sari. And the border, this border is a woven border. Cotton Gorod, very gorgeous look, very gorgeous. The whole sari is fully free hand painting. Pure cotton. Initially it's starched, but if you don't want it starched, so next time just do only washing, dry clean of course, and then only once polish, soft polish you can do. but these will become a little softer once the fall picot is done. So it's a very pretty, it's a pure cotton sari, pure Bengal cotton sari. Now I'll show you one combo combination. Separately it can't be sold, it is coming with the, it's a combo combination. Why, I'll tell you. This is free hand painted. See what a pretty painting in the pallu. Ma Durga painting in the pallu with her 4 daughters and son. Lokhi, Saraswati, Ganesh, Kartik in the pallu, and here throughout it will have the flowers, Padma, lotus. Only the pallu will have Ma Durga hand painting, Goddess Durga. Running blouse, the blouse piece will also have, but best you can wear it with a plain rani blouse or a cotton printed blouse. Here is the main pallu part, beautiful. Product number 8, 3990, sari along with, for him, the dhoti. So it's together 3,990 rupees, hand painted dhoti and hand painted sari. So this is the dhoti. When you wear it, the lotus will come in the bottom, and in the kuchi, the pleat part, this part will come. It's a very, after draping it will look really nice. So this is the dhoti, cotton dhoti, and this is the sari. Both together it's 3,990 rupees. Now cotton katha, a very, very pretty handwork sari. Last moment my karigar delivered, so I don't want to miss this out. I really want to show this to you before the puja. See, it's in white with self block print. I usually don't prefer keeping a white as it is. I usually do either self block or small. I like it this way. See, it gives a nice texture. So with this, this is the thread work pallu. Big lot of work, big pallu. Product number 93990. See the geometric work in the pallu. Lot of work in the pallu and the border also. Very pretty one. And see, this is the sari, whole sari, the border, the pallu, and it will have a nice thread work blouse piece with this. So let me show you this way. So much of embroidery done. And please note, in cottons, especially in lighter shade, we are doing carbon outline, which is done in a little darker tone. There's carbon outline on which the karigar does the filling. So there will be little marks here and there, which and it takes around 2 to 3 months to create this. So there will be little marks here and there, especially when there's white. So those who are is okay with that, then for them you can, because it's in a white sari and in a katha stitch handwork sari, it's not possible to get everything perfect. Any handwork will have, in machine work there's no problem, but in handwork these hand painting, there will be one little mark here, one little mark there, one see little bit of outline going this way. This is the natural part, this is what it is, the natural free hand painting, hand work. These are very common in this. Resham kota with hand painting, pure cotton resham kota without blouse piece. See the painting. Lovely hand painting. And see the pallu part also. How well the shading has been done. 2350, 2350 only. 2350 for this. Resham kota free hand painting, kalamkari concept sari, free hand painting in resham kota. Very ideal for the season right now. A Baswara handloom sari. It's totally woven in butter color and copper gold. All over, see, the weaving is done and it has a texture. It has a khaki texture, khadi texture throughout the sari. This is also woven, the border. Additionally, I have done this red piping and tassels. To give it a finish. Price 3500, 3500, and it will have a nice gold blouse piece woven also. This is the blouse piece. There's a texture, striped texture. Just wear it with lot of gold jewelry. It looks so pretty. Lightweight. Product number 11. Product number 12. There are many ABCD because only one piece. This is a Bengal handloom sari, Ganga Jamuna border, woven handloom on which I've done some printing on it. So thought it will give a different look to it. It has a very pretty red moha part. This is the woven Bengal handloom. This is the block printing done on it. The upper part is in charcoal black color, grayish black color. Pallu part. Price is 2850, 2850, 12A 2850. It's a very comfortable handloom sari and it has a running blouse piece. Best to wear it with a solid color blouse instead of cutting the blouse piece for this. B, another color, all 2850, pure cotton, block printing. $2850. From 12th of October, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th, Sanskriti will remain closed 4 days for the pujas, and then on 16th we will reopen. There are two numbers that's going, 7603042696. You can WhatsApp to any one of the number with the screenshot of the product, no phone calls, only WhatsApp. Once the availability of product is confirmed, you can make the payment and send the screenshot of the payment, after which all you have to do is send your address, phone number and zip code, country, everything in one format. after your payment, after you are sending the screenshot of the payment, and we will courier it to you. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. This has a running blouse, but I have to check the meter. I don't remember if this has a running blouse. I think this is without blouse pieces. So those who are booking this, please message me. I'll let you know after measuring if it's with the blouse. 2850. Pista tone with again self block printing done. I don't think this is with the blouse piece, but still I will just check the length of the sari and tell you. Best to wear it with a solid red blouse so that the print and the border is so pretty. And the last one, 12D, is in grey. All the colors are very pretty, even the block. $2850. With this you can wear a red or a black blouse. Pure Bengal handloom, pure cottons. Ideal for gifting, last moment gifting and all. So very pretty. Now I have a very interesting sari again, because all I'm showing is specially red borders. It's a totally tissue gold Banarasi with running blouse piece. See, it's a fully gold sari. Gold with a red border. Very traditional, very heritage look. It's a very classy at the same time, pure gold, gold with a lovely red woven intricate border. Very interesting sari. Simple. We do lot of on top of this we do embroidery on this also, but simple as it is also, it's looking so nice. So I thought of showing you the both. Because since see, this is the running blouse piece with this, best to keep the sari big and wear a solid color red blouse. It's a lovely shade of red. See the golden red, absolutely gold color, and a very nice gold. It's not a shiny loud gold, it's a pure tissue. Awesome sari. Sometimes even simple hand weaves also look very pretty. Let me check out the price in case I miss out the price. It's going in the screen, but I really wish I could tell you the price. Okay, so here is the price, 4,500. Beautiful woven sari. Now I'll come to some Bengal cottons again. Keeping the puja in mind, I'm showing you white, orange and pink color combination, Ganga Jabuna border with peacock weave throughout the sari. Simple sari, but looks very pretty on wearing, with orange pallu and orange blouse piece. Ganga Jabuna border, pink and orange. Here comes the blouse piece for this, and price only 1,650 rupees. 1650 is the sari price. Somebody has gifted you some cash, or you want to keep something in the name of as a gift for someone, you want to gift to someone. Very pretty sari for regular wear. It's a nice, very interesting sari, and I have another color in this also. Number 15 in grey color. This is grey and red. You can check out our WhatsApp status. Every day we are uploading new products, or the ones those are being repeated, you can check out. Also the Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, where regular notifications are given. All these products will be uploaded, still pictures will be uploaded in the Facebook page. Photo albums, you can go to the photos and check out the albums. Just select from the dates are mentioned, just select from the recent uploads. 1650 for this too. Now I'll show you one Bengal cotton zari check with kutch work, hand embroidery kutch work. This I've shown previously many colors. I've taken orders also for this, but as of now I won't be able to take any orders because these take so long. My karigar tells that they will be able to give it within 2 months, but then they'll end up giving it after, even in 3. And then there was so much of rains in Kolkata, so best I don't take orders for this. I have 2 pieces of this combination, so those who are interested can just I have only 2 pieces. So this is the blouse piece for this. It takes a lot of time because with mirror work, ₹3,990, and see the amount of mirrors and the kutch work and the thread work that has been done. The lower part is in Costa block print and the body itself has a self zari check weave in pure cotton. I do this in a few more colors like white with multicolor, parrot green with red, this is cream with maroon. See the blouse piece and the pallu. 3,990 rupees. So I'll show you another color combination, number 17. I have done again 2 new colors because they are so much in demand. Cotton thread work, those who love pure cottons. Cottons are a class apart, pure cottons. See this combination, a grey color again with multicolors. The lower part I've just kept it in block print because the range would increase if I do the lower border also. And see the pallu part, such lovely thread work in the pallu, and this will have a nice contrast red blouse piece with this cotton blouse. This is the sari, slate color. Once again closely, 3,990 rupees. Zari kota, Banaras weave, temple woven border. Simple lightweight sari but looks very nice on wearing. See the temple border, zari and resham, red and gold border. Pallu, price 2250, 2,250 rupees, 2250 for this. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, ideal to gift mothers. Sometimes আমাদের পুজো বাড়িতেও ঠাকুরকে দিতে হয়, তাদের মানে পুজো বাড়ির জন্য খুব ভালো হবে to give the temples also. This is the blouse piece with this. Very soft kota, 2250. Now I have a linen. Gold linen with red thread work, throughout red thread work, throughout small booty in red, gold zari woven pallu, 4500. It's a gold tissue linen. See the work, soft, lightweight and very good fall. It will have a very nice fall, and it's a very nice gold also. Certain golds are so loud and shiny, I don't ever use those. These are very wearable colors actually. Too much shiny, too much loud colors, you need occasions to wear them. But this, even in small gatherings in the evenings, you can wear this. Simple, just go for a red blouse, nice red and green printed blouse. It look very nice, very sober, soothing colors. And even let me show you what the mannequin is wearing. It's a cotton gorod again, Bengal cotton. Just simple temple block printing I've done, but these blocks, these temple blocks look so bright and gorgeous on wearing. It just leaves a style statement. 2000 rupees price for this sari, without blouse piece, 2000 without blouse. It has the woven border. This is the woven border. It gives a gorod look, but it's in white and red. Big temple pallu. And this will also, these kind of ready-made blouses are available in the store. And see the nice body border also, lower border. Pure cotton, you can starch them. So this is a very, very pretty traditional sari, rupees 2000. And now another color, product number 20, again in tissue linen, mustard gold tissue linen, with tiny red embroidery throughout, gold woven pallu, it has a running blouse, but again this is the blouse piece with this, but again I think with this a contrast blouse would look better. Very nice color for the haldi ceremony or anything. Very nice color. This is a chanderi one. With Banarasi woven border. Pallu, white with polka dotted weave throughout, 2990. With, here is the blouse piece with this. Only 2990 rupees. Traditional saris from Banaras. See the blouse piece color is also so pretty. This is pinkish red and this is deeper red. Now another cotton fulkari work in cotton. We really need cottons during the when we go for pandal hopping or anything, go out for little guy, even to office wear. These kind of nice pure cotton thread work sarees are another class apart. I've done little embroidery to highlight this in lines. Nice combination, simple work, but it's giving a very neat different look. It has a running blouse piece. See the work. but better to, but I've given another blouse piece with this, so best to wear it with this blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Again, these are done in my factory also, but if this sells out, these take so long to recreate. So I really feel I feel really bad to say that we need another 2 weeks or something. So I feel very stressed out when I have to answer. It's taking time definitely when I've given you a time limit. But then these are handwork. I can only give pressure to my karigar, nothing more. Now that karigar whom I'm talking about, he's very every year he gives me a sari, handmade sari done by himself, and honestly nobody gives me a sari, only he gives me a sari, and once a year I get a sari from him. So this is what he's gifted me this year, so thought of sharing it. And what he gives me, it's so pretty, handwork, pure cotton, and see the amount of work that has been done in this cotton. The blouse piece, yes, it needs a bit of alteration. I did it in a hurry. This is the blouse piece for this. And it has a self Worley block print. What's the price of this? It has a self block printed throughout. It will have this self block print, and this is the sari. For this I can take orders. I can request him to make few more. It's a very pretty sari. I really loved it, and it's a very nice, very gorgeous, pretty looking sari, and yes, I'm sure you would love it too. So people think that you got a sari store, then what would we give you as a gift as a sari? So he is the only one, he gives me such lovely saris every year, handmade by him. So it's a very pretty one. Yes, I'll take order for this. I've requested him that maybe you would like it too. I'll tell you the price of this. I don't remember the price. Let him go and check the if I have duplicate stock for this. Now this is number 234300. Se 4300, it's a pink color. Baby pink, soft baby pink, all over thread work with gold border. This is the blouse piece for this. Very soothing, sober color combination, baby pink color. It's in Chanderi with zari woven, Resham Chanderi, zari woven border, all over thread work, soft pastel baby pink color, and the border is also very, very neat, interesting weave. I have a sea green color in that, product number 24. Cash on delivery possible within Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. If you are paying as soon as possible, we will courier it to within 1 or 2 days so that you receive it before the pujas. Else, if I would be very, very grateful if you give me time to ship it after we reopen. But then we have time. If you drop the payment as soon as possible, we can courier it to you and you will receive it. This is the blouse piece. Oh wow, this I love these sarees. I've done, this is, the whole look is so interesting. This is in pure cotton with ajrak patchwork and embroidery. This is a texture, this is a handloom cotton. See, it has a self texture, handloom cotton with mirror work, ajrak patching, big pallu. Navy blue, very heavy quality cotton. The cotton count is heavy. And this will have this ajrak cotton blouse piece. Very smart looking cotton. Those who love pure cotton, they look so nice. I love people wearing pure cottons. Looks really nice, cotton sarees with little designing and thought process that goes into it. 3650. Another color combination, number 26, 3650. This is in red with bottle green patchwork. All hand work. The mirror is hand stitched. The pallu is thread work, is hand work. You don't need a lining with this. It's just, but you can give if you want, but basically this doesn't need a lining. Pure cotton. For the blouse I'm talking about. See the work, it's in red, lovely red color. It's a handloom cotton, pure cotton. Black. The last one is in black. The pallu is with patchwork and with embroidery. So it's and the quality of the sari is heavy quality cotton. It's a very good, you can wear it to any formal wear also. Black and red. Pure cotton. Is it clear how it look? So this is the last one of this episode. I hope you liked it. For some last moment shopping. The neck piece that I am wearing, green neck piece, gold and silver metal, 2650 for this, and it has it doesn't have a earring, it's only the neck piece. Earring ki ache shate? It's just the neck piece, 2600 for the neck piece, and the sari price is 3990. 3,990 rupees for the sari. With this blouse piece. Cotton blouse piece. You can make 3/4 because the work is quite a bit more. So thank you so much for watching. Next episode ta khub shigiri ashche, dekhte thakun. Namaskar.